How to fix Siri not responding in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, here you can check our Siri response. Hey Siri, how's the weather? Now here you can see Siri will give us a response but in silent, not a spoken response. If you want to fix this problem, then open your settings. In settings, scroll down and click on Siri and then click on Siri responses. Now if you select prefer silent responses, then Siri give us a silent responses, not a spoken responses. And if you select as a prefer spoken responses, then Siri give us a spoken responses, not a silent. Now here we test this. Hey Siri, how's the weather?
It's currently.
Now here you can see Siri give us a spoken response, not a silent. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.